Hello, learners. Welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. It's day 10, and today we are going to master VLOOKUP in Excel. So, today's target is understanding VLOOKUP. So, let's jump into it. So, VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a function that is used to retrieve information from a table using a lookup value. The lookup value must appear in the first column of the table, and the information to retrieve is specified by column number. So VLOOKUP scans a table, finds a match, and returns a result in the matching row. So first, let's understand the syntax of the VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP first contain a lookup value, the value to look for in the first column of a table. After that, table array, the table from which we will retrieve a value, then the column index number, the column in the table from where we will retrieve a value. Now the range lookup. It is an optional. We can put here either true or false. True means approximate match and false means exact match. So let us find the price of product with the product ID P1003. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to VLOOKUP, then the lookup value, then the table array, and then the column index number. So here we are looking for an exact match, so we will put a false here. So as you can see, we got our result. False find the exact data which we are looking for and returns the value if exact match is found. So VLOOKUP will return an NA error if the data doesn't match. So in this formula, we are looking for the product ID P1009 which isn't available in the data, and we have given an exact match to look for, so it will give in NA error. But now if we will put a true here, it will search for the closest value that is less than P1009. So in this case, it will find P1008 and returns its corresponding value. So I hope you understand the basic functions of VLOOKUP. In our next video, we will go through the HLOOKUP function. So that's all for today. Thank you.